get started with getting EquatIO for Google Apps, go to Chrome Web Store. So sign in with your Gmail account and look for the Chrome Web Store or go for chrome.google.com/webstore. As you open the web store, you will find various extensions and themes lying in this store. Let's search the store for EquatIO. As you type in for EquatIO, the very first extension that shows up is here. Let's add this to Chrome. Click, give it the permission to read the data, and let's get ready to make math digital. As soon as it accepts some basic conditions, it shows up in your Chrome bar, all set to go. Let's take a look at how it is used for Google Docs. So let me open a new Google Doc. So I'm typing in doc.new. You can go to the drive and open a new Google Doc as well. In order to get math coming in your Google Doc, with your extension available here, let's click on it and get it activated for this document. As soon as I click it, a new toolbar opens at the bottom of the screen. This is where the power of EquatIO lies. Let's click on Equation Editor and type in some maths here. So let's see if I can get square root. So the moment I say SQRT, it gives me the square root. Press enter. Type in, say, x plus, let's type in a fraction, 3 over 4 minus, say, let's say, complicated, sin x equal to x squared minus 4. So if I can just go back, I have x squared minus 4 by 5. So this equation, I can click on insert and get it up in the image. So the moment it comes up in the Google document, it comes and gets inserted as an image ready to go. So this is how you can get EquatIO up and running. Go ahead, give it a try.